So we're 3.5 weeks in. What percentage have you improved?
More than 50%.
More than?
Yeah.
Okay, more than 50%. Now, he just said that he had a flare-up, so we'll talk about that. Okay, everyone, here, Dr. Kulla, here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. We have a patient with a hiatal hernia that's been treating for 3.5 weeks, and his symptoms are over 50% improved, correct?
Correct, yeah.
With the burning. A lot of people ask how long it takes. It's different for everybody, but he had a little exacerbation, and he asked me, what should I do? So he had asked me if the exacerbation of the burning sensation was because of coffee or working out. So he went to the gym, and that morning he had coffee, and later that late morning, a couple hours later, he had some burning, some acid coming up. So my question to you is, have you had coffee on other days, and have you had that burning, or have you been...
No. Yesterday I drank acidic coffee. Before I didn't drink acidic coffee.
Drank a different type of coffee?
Yes.
So that could play a role, but also he was working out. And what may have created the problem was both the coffee and then working out. And he said he did chest. And if you're not breathing properly, watch this video, because I did a great video on how to breathe properly when you exercise. Really important. If you're not breathing, you're building up the abdominal pressure and you're going to cause that stomach to go up. That's the only place it can go. Up through the diaphragm, and you re-herniate the hiatal hernia all over again. So you want to avoid holding your breath when you're exercising and lifting. So we're going to go ahead and treat him for a hiatal hernia, but he also has some mid-back stuff, so some of it's related to his posture. So I want you to take a deep breath in for me. We're going to just loosen his back muscles up with this. So he asked me what he can do when he has a flare-up of acid. And what you can do is some of the exercises. Foam roller. If yours is related to posture, bad posture, and you're bent over like this, you can use a foam roller on your mid-back. Don't put it on your lower back, only your mid-back to your shoulders, your shoulder blades, okay? You could do that. You can also manually, with your hand, take your thumb and stick it in between where the ribs come together and pull it down and get in there as best you can, and that might help alleviate it temporarily. So his mid-back is pretty tight, and that's one of the reasons, or one of the causes that makes him more susceptible to a hiatal hernia. Why does bad posture and tight muscles there in the mid-back create a hiatal hernia or make you more susceptible? Because you're dropping your diaphragm down, and it's making the stomach just easier to herniate through your diaphragm. You want to stand with good posture, okay? And standing with good posture is not pulling your shoulders back. That doesn't work. What you want to do is pretend like there's a string here in the back of your head, in the vertex of the head, pulling you up and then running like a plumb line through your spine, pulling up, and instead your posture, your spine's going to elongate up to the sky, your chin's going to come in, and your shoulders will automatically pull back without you having to pull it back. That hurts after a couple of minutes, trying to pull your shoulders back. Don't do that. String in the back of the head, plumb line down through the spine. Picture that. Imagine that. Someone pulling it up, elongating your spine straight up to the sky. Chin comes in, and again, the shoulders will automatically pull back without having to pull them back physically and create more issues for your upper back. Okay, let's go ahead and adjust you, sir. Take a deep breath in. Blow all the way out. So with these adjustments, we're able to break up some of the adhesions, some of the misalignments, and help improve his posture quicker. Now, he's also been given some foam rolling stretches to do as well. Take a deep breath in. Good, blow all the way out. And bend your knees for me. Take another deep breath in. Good, and blow out. And drop your legs down. And we're gonna have this side up. So lay on your right side and bend this leg here. So we also wanna make sure his pelvis is in alignment. With a hiatal hernia, a lot of your abdominal muscles connect onto your pelvis. So we wanna make sure that that's balanced so as not to increase the bloating and the pressure on the diaphragm and the hernia itself. And relax here. Good. And the other side up. Okay, where does that hurt when you turn over? Lower back? Okay, you just winced with your face. I thought that was pain. No. So I look at people's reaction when they turn over, because if they're in pain, I can tell on their face. That's what I was just asking him about. Relax yourself here. Good. Good. And face up. Cross your arms in front of you. Tuck your chin. Take a deep breath in. Come on up. Good. And blow out. Good. Another one. Deep breath in. Good. Blow out and relax. Relax back, 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 back. Good. Hands up in the air. All right. Now we're going to do the hiatal hernia maneuver on him. Go ahead, slide your shirt up. So he's hairy like myself. So if you're hairy in the stomach area and you're trying to do this yourself or your spouse is doing it for you, trim it down, shave it, whatever you want to do. It's going to be a lot more comfortable for you. And we do this maneuver about 3 to 5 times each sitting, each time he comes in. And in the beginning, we were seeing him 3 times a week, then down, once it improves 50% down to twice a week. If it improves another 50%, we get it down to once a week. So we're pretty much down to once a week with him. He just had a little bit of a flare-up after working out, and he's not sure if he was breathing properly or not. So you want to make sure you're breathing properly when you work out and exercise. Don't hold your breath when you're exercising. And that is the hiatal hernia maneuver. If you have acid reflux, GERD, or a hiatal hernia and you haven't tried this, get off the PPI medication, especially if it's not working for you. Don't even consider surgery until you have this done. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.